Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'd like to share with you this very easy summertime anytime room decor. This would be great anywhere in your home with scented candles. Also, it would do well on an outside table with a citronella candle inside them to keep away the summertime insects like wasps and mosquitoes. So if you'd like to see how I made this very easy DIY, just keep watching. Some of the items I'm going to be using today are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using these candle plates as well as one square candle vase. Also, I'm going to be using two small square candle vases. I'm going to be using these napkin rings, and this is what they look like. And you can pick all this up from the Dollar Tree. This diamond wrap, I picked this up from Amazon. I used to have a big roll, guys. Look how small this is. So I've been really using that up. Also going to need my glue gun and my glue stick, my scissors. I'm going to be using this permanent marker in metallic silver, and I'm going to be using that to remove the black lines on the back of the diamond wrap. Since I'm using glass today, these lines would be visible through the glass, so I'm going to just cover them over with this silver metallic marker. So now I'm going to glue 3 of the napkin rings to the bottom of one candle holder. So next I'm going to be using the silver flower diamond wrap. I'm going to hot glue it to the perimeter of the dish. So now I'm going to use that same diamond wrap and I'm going to hot glue it around the large vase. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the two smaller vases. So guys, these are so cute, and this is what they both look like. Alright guys, here they go. These will look so pretty indoors as well as outdoors, or your summertime porch. I love the nighttime glow that the candles would give these vases. These are absolutely pretty, and it looks so nice outside at night. But with that said, I think these came out really nice. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I want to thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.